Hi, this is Chenhao Huang. I'm a developer relations at PingCAP. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started with TiDB Cloud using Python and Flask. We'll load some data into TiDB Cloud and then view this data from a web page using a browser. First, let's create a TiDB cluster. If you don't have a TiDB Cloud account yet, you can sign up at tidbcloud.com/signup. If you already have an account, click Sign In. After logging into our TiDB Cloud account, click Create a Cluster and then click Get Started for free in the developer tier plan. I will use demo as the cluster name and set the password to PingCAP1. Note that the cloud provider is AWS by default. I choose the Singapore region here since I live close to Singapore. Accept all the remaining default settings and then click Submit. Click Yes here since we have no previous backups. Your cluster will be ready in 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, so the cluster is ready. Let's move on to the next task, to connect to the TiDB Cloud. Click Connect. The traffic filter defines who can access your cluster. In this demo, I will allow access from anywhere. But for best practice, you should either only allow access from your IP address or configure a VPN for secure access. Click Create Filter. Take note of the TiDB Cloud IP address. We will use it when Python connects to TiDB Cloud. Okay, now click Web SQL Shell. Web SQL Shell enables you to write SQL on the web page. Enter the root password. Now you are in the Web SQL Shell. We first create a database called demo. Then we create a user called demo client with password 123. In this demo, we grant all privileges to this user. However, it is not recommended in production. Then we create a table called fruit and then insert 3 records into this database. They are apple, orange, and pineapple. We can now check the data imported. Now, we will query the data from the web page. We'll use Flask, which is a popular web framework for simple web applications. We first install Flask. Then we install MySQL connector for Python. We now create a new file called web.py and then copy the code into web.py. Change the connection string to your own connection string. Now you can run web application. Finally, open browser and type in the address. You should be able to see the data displayed on the web page. So, you have seen how easy it is to get started with TiDB Cloud using Python and Flask to build a web application. For more information, please check out tidbcloud.com. Thanks for watching.